Are you ever in a bad situation where you need to staple something? You need your stapler with you later in that day, but you can't take it with you? Or you just can't seem to put your stapler down? It's just too much work. You run out of staples, the stapler jams, you can't get it open. Well, I have a solution. Imagine a round stapler about the size of a $50 coin. It's portable, you can take it anywhere. It has a slit in the middle where you can automatically staple your paper in seconds, anytime, anywhere. Here are my reasons why I think this should happen.